Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we got another new box to the channel. So awesome. It's one of my favorites and I am so excited to get into this with you. So it is the Tea Runners box. And I love me some tea. So if you'd like to see what comes in this subscription box, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, I'm so excited. So a little bit about this before we just pop right into it. This is the Tea Runners box. You can either purchase it monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly, so you get to choose. This subscription is catered completely to you and what you want, and I love that so much. So there are 4 different boxes. There is the original box, which has 4 teas, like a mixture of all the different ones they have. There's pure teas, flavored teas, or herbal teas, and I believe black teas, maybe, I think. And then there is the pure box where you'll get 4 pure teas only. That one's $30 a month. There's the all black box, which is black teas, pure black teas, and flavored black teas. And those are $25 a month. And then there's the herbal box that is caffeine free. And that's $25 a month. So in that one, you'll get like the rooibos and the herbal and the green tea and chamomile and stuff like that. So this is just super amazing, super affordable. 4 bags of tea for $25. That's not bad. So let's crack this bad boy open. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. Super adorable. And it opens all the way up flat. Just put it right here on my little desk. And this is the original box. So this one is $25 a month. And I really wanted to get this one because it's just, I want to try different things, you know. And then also one other thing that's really good about the subscription box is it will kind of show you before you check out, or I think it's like right after you check out, what teas you'll be getting. And it will let you swap one of those teas out for a different one that they have. So that way, no matter what, you're getting one tea that you know you're really going to like. And I love that. So this is the July box. Happy summer tea lovers. We have some of our most popular summer teas in our subscription boxes this month, including Butterfly Mango Dragon, Fruit White, and Peach Ginger Detox Gold. Yes, they're as thirst-quenchingly delicious as they sound, and both are equally refreshing, hot or iced. That is super awesome because it is so hot in my house today because we have been dehydrating fruit, and I didn't know it takes as long as it does. And so the air fryer has just been on all day long, and it is hot. So some iced tea right now would be lovely. We're also doing a soothing and beautifully elegant chamomile tea in our herbal box, something we haven't done in ages. But everyone needs a great chamomile in their collection, and we know you'll love this one. I gave my chamomile to Zach. Not out of this box, a different one. We did go slightly overboard and included 3 teas that are on the expensive side, but they were worth splurging to bring them to you. Our Golden Monkey, Snow Leopard Black, and Imperial Grade Lapsang Souchong are going to wow your taste buds. These teas are in our various boxes, and not everyone will receive them all, but they'll be available in our store soon. Speaking of our store, we're very excited to announce we'll be receiving our new glass teapot soon. Ooh, cute! Keep an eye on your inbox or our social media for when they become available. We hope you're having a great summer. Happy sipping, Jewel and Charlie from Tea Runners. Aww. So I will make sure to link the link down below of where you can get this from. And then I always like to say businesses' Instagrams because a lot of people have Instagram these days, and it is at Tea Runners. So just TEARUNNERS. So be sure to check them out. These are super cute. Okay, so right off the top, we're going to... Uh-oh, Houston, we may have a problem. Okay, we'll have to do this in a very unique, different way because I didn't even think about it. These are loose leaf teas, and I don't have a tea steeper right now. So I do know that you can just put tea straight into a cup of water, and that's okay. Like, the sediment normally will settle on the bottom of your cup. That's what we're going to be doing today. And then I'll have to figure out how to get a tea steeper soon. The first one up is Tangerine Pear Green. It's a green tea. You put 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces. You heat it to 175 degrees and you steep for 3 to 4 minutes. And another thing that's really awesome is you can re-steep these for another minute or 2. Add 30 seconds to each steep. The ingredients in here is green tea, mandarin peel, pear bits, and natural flavoring. And it is a multiple origin blend. Ooh, I'm excited for that one. That's what it looks like. See the little pear bits? Can't smell it through the package, which is a good thing because it means it's just nice and sealed. It's not going to go bad anytime soon or get stale. Oh, this is one of the one they were talking about, the expensive one. Yes, score. This is the Butterfly Mango Dragon Fruit White Tea. This low caffeine white tea has a deceiving name because when steeped, it turns a deep blue. Ooh, that'll be fun. Memory enhancing white tea also has cooling properties to decrease the heat in the body, making this a great summer tea on a hot day. Perfect. Marigold flowers and mango add a tropical punch while butterfly pea flowers make up its unusual hue. Add a lemon to this tea and watch it turn violet. Oh, wow. So there's Bay Mu Dan white tea, butterfly pea flowers, freeze-dried marigold flowers, and mangoes and flavoring. And this also has multiple origin blend, 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces. This one you heat to 185 degrees. You steep for 3 to 4 minutes. This one you don't re-steep, and it's low caffeine. I think I might want to try this one. That looks very interesting. You can't really see it on camera, but it has like a green tint inside of there. Yeah, I think I might try this one. So I already have my handy dandy boiled water. And since I don't have a steeper, I'm just going to put some in my cup and hope for the best. I like to wing it. It's my jam. It totally is turning blue. I'll have to show you guys here in a minute. So we're going to let that steep for 3 to 4 minutes. So moving on, we got the, oh yes, this is another one they were talking about. The Peach Ginger Detox Gold. This tea is a detoxifying blend of the finest top grade teas, blended with ginger and peach bits for added addictive sipping. This magical tea will boost your metabolism and immune system, give you glowing skin, decrease nausea, and even give you some pep in your step when it comes to jet lag. A very healthy treat. Try it iced. Global Tea Championship winner. First place flavored green tea. Wow. The ingredients are green tea, white tea, oolong tea, yellow marigold flowers, dried peach bits, ginger root, and natural flavoring. It has a multiple origin blend. And low to medium caffeine. Ooh, I am so drinking that first thing in the morning. That sounds so amazing. So I've always had a problem with nausea, and I have gained weight. Okay, I've gained a lot of weight and during this quarantine, and so speeding up that metabolism would be great, and putting some pep in my step because me and energy don't get along. So that would be lovely. So again, there's what it looks like. That will be my morning tea. And then last but not least, And also, can we just take another look at this box? Oh my gosh. I gotta figure out how to repurpose this for sure. Okay. This is the golden monkey. Yay! Grown at high altitudes in the misty mountains of Yunnan, China, comes this fine black tea with smooth notes of honeyed peach. For 1,700 years, this rare tea was enjoyed only by China's elite ruling class. Wow. They believed it gave them special powers to agility. Today, Golden Monkey is a frequent finalist on awards lists around the world and is considered one of the finest black teas there is. Ingredients? Black tea. And its origin is Yunnan, China. So you steep this at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. You can re-steep this one, and it's high in caffeine. So this looks like one that I would definitely want to add some creamer or half and half to for sure. That would be another great morning tea. Okay, so let's check in on this steeping. Wow. Okay, so I'm definitely going to have to put that down on something because it did not sink to the bottom. Wow. Let me see if I can't grab one of these out for you guys to look. It's a little blue flower. Oh, see that blue drop? Wow, that's so pretty. Okay, and then I'll show you guys really quick what it looks like. Blue. And then I already have some sugar right here. Because what is tea without some sugar? A lot of sugar. Enough, because I do have to go to bed at some point. That is so cool how it turned blue. Oh, yes. Oh, that tastes so amazing. Wow. Alright, you guys. Well, that is my tea runners box for July. Let me know what you thought about this box down below in the comments. I don't know. Do you guys like this one better? Do you guys like the Plum Deluxe better? Let me know, and I will have the link to this company down below, and that's all I have for you guys tonight. So I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.